Pa-shoot pa.
Tapos guys,
sinabi ng last shot, last shot.
Huwag niyo sa masikip na line. Doon tayo sa loob. Puro masikip.
Guys, listen. Bago matapos ng third, lagpas dapat 15 lamang yan. Sige, coach.
Sino ba, coach?
Balik ka.
Ako pa rin.
Dalawa kayo. Labas ka muna. Sige. Oo, ikaw pa rin. Sentro ka.
Second line down in the leather. It's in the basket line up. And then the basket on the way. Lisa driving baseline. Takes off. Yes, sir. 36 to 39. Consolation around the end. This is for the three. Even inside the Lisa. Extra passing there. Ball center, we don't down the shot. As the is 38 to 35. Uncle Joey inside. With the running attack now, big rebound to number 27. And the hand up to Barcelona center in the area. Across the line. I don't know if it is going to be the Savannah, shut up, working down, gets away. 40 to 35. He got there and it was to Uncle Joey. AJ got there. Corner pocket wide. Uncle Joey, open for the number 0 now. He got the kicks out, shot clock winding down. Babalik kay Uncle Joey with the blower from down. With the big rebound by number 27, bibigay lamang mapunta rito kay Councilor Cedric Diana. Across the line, si Samuel. He was fouled. It's a foul on number 0. Second personal foul.
Sub.
Off the line, Councilor Cedric Diana. First line touch. Second line, Councilor Cedric Diana. Still is second substitution. 44-98. Ang pagkakamala sa kanyang konting kapag-area pabalik sa kapanan ng Tagar. Max Phenomenon. From down, in out. The ball on 7 passes number 5 up to number 27 to the slash. For the right Councilor Cedric Diana. He won inside. Right inside. And the rebound comes to Max Phenomenon. Deep and go! No! He got the ball. 41-20. On the other end, Councilor Cedric Diana. On the top of the lead. Pick up this ball together with the press. Shot around 10. Now. Pick up this ball right. Go. Across the timeline, looking around, pick up his dribble and the pass. Keyhole jumper, in and out. Balik ang bola para sa panig ng mga ballers. Across the line, as well as the line, number 8. Now. Ikot binigay sa sigawing kalawa. Corner pocket win! Yes, sir! 44-43. Ahead naman ng Jim Boyd. Kasabay sa kalawa natin Scarlett. Iwan inside ang sige na lang ng Diwa. Ang lalabas, nobody home! James Seymour. Ang bilis na mga tayo. 6 minutes and 4.
Tulungan kayo sa rebound. Yung rebound. Kung may na-advance, bato nyo na na bato. Chase, ingat ka sa foul. Kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka magkukumit ng foul. Okay? Pagod ka na? Ha? Go, 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 go. Layuan nyo pa. Layo nyo pa yan. Momentum. Layo nyo pa.
6 minutes and 4. Quarter number 3. 49-44. Balik ng kalaban sa visiting team Max Phenomeno. Marasigan Godina, receive the basketball Diana. Ang wrestling yung second round, dito sa Igro. Ibigay na yung Marasigan, yes, sir! 47-45. Big hop by Barrel, way up the mark. And pick up the loose ball by Villera. Out of the question number 5, ball is deflated. Villera setting the play. Pick up the city ball, because of the ball, out of bounds, turnover. 47-45. He got for the basketball. Setting the play and looking for somebody. Turnover substitution. Receive the basketball by number 15, Villera. Swing it over to number 5, Villera. Villera slicing the defense with the ball. 49-45. He got the discardment. AJ got that, big button, covered by Villera. It's gonna be on number 7. Shot clock down to 10. The kicks out. Corner pocket win. Yes, sir. 49-48. Villera on the other end. Seymour. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Masih yang berada dalam perlawanan Villera tapi yang and somebody promised the black of the stolen he broke inside the kicks out Urban for three. Loses under short jumper, back of the iron. We got over the Siva. (51-48), 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Marasigan with the basketball. Start, reset. Foul number 6, Marasigan. Running for out. Keeper number 1.
Oh.
51-48, on the other hand, Big Hot, directing traffic, setting the play. And somebody loses under, stolen by number 29. It's a ball on jersey number 7, number 7. Second personal foul. Team foul number 2. At the line number 4 of the laban. Shooting 2 free throws. First try, he makes it. To be the last shot. Bring down the ladder ang magtitimbang at didiskarga para ito sa kanilang atara ng opensiba. Entry pass. Yes, sir. 53-50. 2 minutes and a half. Delivery sa kanilang dulo. Nakisa. Yes.
Sarapan mo na! Si Dito eh! Sarapan mo na! Hey! Sarapan mo na!
Out of bounds.
Basketball lang, Rep. Yeah, basketball lang. Ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan? Basketball lang, Rep. Yeah, basketball lang. Ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan? Inaano ba kayo? Normal na coach ako kaya. Inaano ba kayo? Normal na coach ako kaya. Ba't may nakikisali?
All players please proceed in front of their respective bench.
Respeto naman yun eh, kasi ako naman yun. Hindi, kaya nga po, hanapin lang. Respeto naman. Respeto yun.
Hindi, walang problema. Ganyan, sir. Wala.
The verdict has been made. It's a technical foul on number 17. Ignore. Warning for foul out. 1 free throw by the home team.
Labas na tayo doon. Labas na tayo doon. Normal sa basketball naman sa gitnaan. Kasi physical basketball sa physical game. Ganun lang, ganun lang SK. Bakit may ganun papasok na tao? Hindi, kahit di ba may labas siya yun. Hindi kami nagusta. Kasi respeto kami sa kalaban. Binibigay namin yung tamang laro. Kasi respeto kami sa kanila. Pero ibang usapan nyo naman, papasok na ibang tao para tarantaduhin kami. Bastusin kami.
free throw. By the hockey. Para sa ating technical free throw. Ball possession.
Awas ko daw mo basta. Ito ang pinaglalaban ko. Normal po na magreklamo ako kasi head coach po ako. Normal po ako mag-voice out.
Ilalay na lang.
Hindi po ako naipag-away.
Pero andun na po si Kapitana. May pulis na rin po tayo. May pulis na rin po.
Para-paraman mo naman kung
Ha?
Friendly game, yung mga meron at yung mga tatang.
Supply. 2 minutes and 40. Ball possession Max Mirano.
Hey, kay Jonas. Sa video. Tayo backward.
Sideline bombing the letter.
Atras, di makita sa camera.
AJ Jakarta, kelapa dito kay Beliana. And sama bagay, shot clock winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Turnover. Receive the basketball by number 15, Beliana. Corner, pocket three. Now, opens to break. 59, 55, 54. 45 seconds. Beliana with the basketball. This is turnover. 38.2. Substitution.
Ay, mali yun. Yan yung mga... Yari yun. Pumasok pa yun. Kaya sinulita naman sa mga
35 seconds. 30 seconds. Shot clock on 10. Open for three. It's a big basket. It's a big three. Sabong segundo. 5 seconds. Alvarez Suarez. Bendición. And off the third quarter. Biglang ginagawa ang position ni Max Mirano Robertson. 57 to 55.
Hey. Listen guys, listen. Okay, hinga malalim.
Hangin.
Makinig kayo. Hinay mabuti. Atin to. Ilayo nyo ng ilayo yan. Okay? And then pag nakuha natin yung kalamangan, tumingin kayo sa akin. Kaya natin trabahuin yan. Ilayo nyo pa. Okay yung ginawa nyo last minute.
Nice one kayo siya.
Lahat kayo tumatakbo, walang naiiwan.
Nice one.
Lahat kayo nagtutulungan. Okay? Huwag nyo intindihin yung mga tao sa labas na gusto akong saktan. Dahil ganun ko kayo ipaglaban. Huwag kayo magkatakot sa akin. Basta maglaro kayo ng seryoso, ilayo nyo yan.
Final stretch. This is it. Last and final quarter. Stewart sa Alvarez Ganda. Bellena. Pick up the Stewart para kay Alvarez. Siya wala sa segundo. Dahil na ngayon. On the other end, looking at the pull-up jumper. Yes, sir. 55. Number 11. It's going to be a to Ashley from downtown. Nothing to buy, nothing to buy. Ikhab diniskarate kontra dito kay Bellena, bibigay sa ilalim, abababay, turnaround shot, everything na siya na bigyan ng bola, makakumpara naman ng Pag's Pinadal, Igoy libre sa bato! Bang! 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 3 Yes, sir. Parang siya tayo na magpipili nila. Sumasama ang gumagana ng walang bakbakan. Para mga ibigay na mga kinatsara ang mga kagawala. 62-59. Teka muna sa Panigo. Bigay sa may kawanganan. Long distance shot. Nothing to fire. Mahaba ito. Malaking bahagi pa ang ating pagkain ng nalabi. Shot clock pabasa sa 10 segundo. Ball is intercepted. Number 6, Tito Maranay. And reverse. Turn over. Bring down another beautiful game. Stands number 15. The other Tiger Pie. Nine Yes, sir. 64-62. Regain the lead by the holding. And reverse. Barbay bibigay sa ilalim. Boris the Blackhead. Saber Montano, 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Down low, shot clock at 10. Comes closer, loses handle. 5 on the shot clock. Back up the iron. Ikhab with basketball. He parks for play. Yes, sir. 66-65. Bigyan bibigay sa kanya ng mga pagpapalay ng mga line. Pagkakamalang chance ng mga taga-Pag's Phenomenal. Yes, sir. James Faber. Bellena, ito sa mga Diskarte. Ikagusto nyo mga dapat na nagkakakilig. Turnover substitution. 67-66. Okay, ang mga ipagawin sa Sydney.
Ayun yun ang board.
11. Number 17, Ikwati Discarte, directing traffic. And somebody, bibigay sa may gawing kanan. Shot clock is winding down. 5 seconds to shoot. Top the ball. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Good defense on the part of the home team. We are now approaching the halfway mark of the final quarter. Slowly breaking another final quarter. Is here over the screen. Even over the Reyes. Pops up Corda. And with the rebound. Tayo mga yung mga mag-spinal 3-on-1 break. That's crossing goal. May foul na itatawag. It's a foul on number 24, National Cedric De Hoya. First personal foul. Team foul number 1. Baseline involved in the letter 4 minutes and 37. 17 seconds on the shot clock. In traffic, number 13, over to go. Shot clock at 10. Ashley from down. May foul na itatawag. Foul on number 24, National Cedric De Hoya. Dalawa. Team foul number 2. Tatlo yung rep, tatlo. 3 free throws for the offensive player. Yes, first try. Second try. Tatlo yan, tatlo. (69-66) to be the last shot. Split is Charity. Alvarez Gardner. National Cedric De Hoya. Iwapi, isa na magpapay. Shot clock at 10. Alvarez Gardner, deep shot. Now. And the sound of the whistle is a pushing foul number 21 Alvarez. First personal foul team number 3. Second personal foul Alvarez. Every pass ball is intercepted by number 14. Wala na mga minuto dito sa ating pamamagitan. Bigay sa sagawin natin kaya naman Alvarez. Driving fire. 69-68. Ikot with the basketball. Pick up the dribble. Empty pass. Papalik kay Ikot. Keep him down. Tiksa. Stolen by the Reyes. And the sound of the whistle. Foul number 28. Warning for foul out. Team foul number 1. Correct number 1. It's a foul number 7. Number 7 tatlo. 69-68. Warning for foul out. Three minutes and 10. Shot clock number 10. Aking kebatian sa Alvarez Gardner. Berkata Ikot, bigay sa laban. No. Resign. Fingers crossed, thumbs up. It's a symbol. It's a symbol. Alternative possession arrow, same ball. Gabriel Hop, open for play, and out! And the sound reset. Ball number 28, running for down. Trip to the line to Privilos, Gabriel Sagrada. Team foul number 3. First try, he makes it. Second try to beat Russia. And ganda. Bigay sa may gawin ng the shot clock. Hold back at the way. No, sir. Bola na kukuha ng kamay ng mga and somebody driving baseline. Ikot. Shot clock again. In other side. Another Kerala of the zone. Robert Ramiro. It's a foul number 17. Number 17, foul. Running for penalty, Max Phenomenal. Samantalang tutuloy sa linya sa second round. First try makes it. Second try to be the last shot. To be the last shot. Pamira City. 72-71. And got there with the basketball. AJT discarded. Swing the ball and repass. Yes, sir. 73 all. Open for the Philippines. Hold on to your set. Isang minuto. Talo na siya. Foul number 11. Magpantay, warning for penalty. Nasa passing grade na yung home team, 75-73. Applying 44.7.
Hey, stick tayo sa depensa nyo. 1-3-1, 1-3-1, 1-3-1. Isa sa ilalim si Sean Wiper. Tatlo, isa sa gitna, big man. Isa ibabaw. Ako na ibabaw.
Alisin ang 20. matitira mga short.
Headline boxing to number 44.7. Brian Masimundo. 35-6. Seconds. Sayang. 20 seconds. 20. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. Under penalty. Under penalty. Para number 1, holding goal. Under penalty. At naman yung sinunod. Kahit manipas sa Presidente Guerrero, merong isang merong biglang bukas na naiiwan para ito sa pagkakas sa final. 17.6, 18 pala kanina yun, 18. Away from the ball. On number 1, warning for foul out. Alvarez sa linya. Sa ganitong pagkakataon, hindi lamang ang tibay ng kamay ang sinusutukan, pati na rin ang tibay ng bibig. At dito rin natin masasabi na ang lalabas at kulay palang saling ay naman may puso. May isyan! 15 seconds! Is a good foul. Sayang, is foul. Foul number 28. Warning for foul out. De los Reyes naman sususumat sa linya. And this one.
Basket time out. Ilan na yun? Apat? 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 Yung Chase? Chase, pasok.
To be the Russian winner for 27, this is still one possession ball game. Reserve time out, Mobs Phenomenal. Mobs Phenomenal.
Rep, 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 rep. Rep. Okay? Pag-aabang isa dyan. Okay? Tres, ikot. Labas. Tanggap. Bigay sa tres. Okay? Bigay sa tres. Okay? Tres, ikot. Tingin na, again. Dos ikot. Sige, dos ikot. Dos ang iikot. Okay? Labas to. Bigay. Pag na-stop, 5 tanggap. Tawid ka dito. 5 tanggap. Hand up. Open 3. And then gang rebound. Kuha rebound.
76-73. Panilo po punta siya sa sentral mga taga-Marks Penanano. Kung gusto sa mga tuloy naman isa sa mga maiiwan, magkaisa sa mga. Pagkakita naman po sila bukas kung sino nanalo ng pagkakita sa SBA. Pumunay tayo ng matira ng patay. That is now the end of the 9.1 seconds. Sideline bounding the ladder. 9.1. Bata-bata para ko ginawa. Wala kang hira na kamamatay. And the final Basel Southern final score 78-73. Victory of Boys. Sa kanina magandang gabi po muli sa inyo lahat. Sa pangalan ng mga sabi ng mga bayan ng mga nagtutunan, mga usiling ng kasigan, at sa mga mga sa kaya ng mga kasigan.
Amen.
Heads up. Okay? We have game tomorrow. Wala namang all the puyat na tayo.
Pahinga.
Kailangan nyo mag-rest. Pagandaan nyo yung bukas. Okay? All goods, all goods, all goods. All goods. All goods. Let's go. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa
Puting Batoy, Isala, Batangas!
guys, nagpapasalamat ako sa nag-accommodate sa amin, sa mga SK, sa mga agawad, kay Kapitana also. Thank you very much. Maraming nangyari, may na-injury. Well, it's part of the basketball. Maraming hindi na pagkakaintindihan, which is, pero tuloy ang laro. Natapos natin ng masaya. Natalo kami, pero good job lang.
Siyempre, hindi natin papabayaan si Kapitana.
It is our pleasure to have you here.
Yeah,
You
thank
are
you,
always
thank you.
welcome in our barangay, Puting Batoy.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat sa iyo.
And syempre, a big shoutout sa coach nila, which is
Hi. Thank you. Shout out Aldrich Engineering Services. Sa mga tropa dyan.
Coach, thank you ha. Thank you. Yun lang guys, maraming salamat.